where do most companies who want to implement a CMMS, where do they go wrong?
I think it's going to go back to the two things that I mentioned. One, they don't map their business processes and understand who's doing what, how they want the CMMS to work. And two, they don't resource the implementation properly. Budgets start to slip, timelines start to slip. So they start skipping on certain things, whether that's building the asset hierarchy, getting all the information in for each asset, whatever it is. I think it's one of those two things. If you've got a really good business process, you can overcome some of the data issues over time because you'll have a plan to go in and update it and correct and add assets and those sorts of things. But if you don't have a business process and you don't take the time to manage that data properly going in, I think you're going to struggle from the beginning.